Old Mazak machines running the Hitachi CD1472-D1M CRT, black screens, blurry images. The factory CRT is out of production. Spare parts are gone. Every day of downtime costs you dearly. The new CD1472-D1M industrial LCD upgrade kit drops right in. 1-to-1 mounting size, original signal and power interfaces. No wiring changes, no adapter boards, plug in and go. 14-inch industrial TFT, XGA resolution, stable from 0 to 50 degrees. Power draw cut to a fraction, minimal heat, no extra cooling. 50,000 hour backlight life. Instant on, no warm-up, flicker-free, easier on the operator's eyes. Fits the full Mazak M, T, and QD series legacy CNC controls. Hundreds of auto parts plants already upgraded. Conversion in under 2 hours, plug it in and run. No parameter changes. Every unit leaves the factory after a 48-hour burn-in test, with full installation documentation. 2-year warranty, lifetime technical support. Fix aging Mazak display faults, revive your machines, cut downtime. Get the details at cncdisplay.com.